Hey, my name is Michael. Today I'm coming at you live from UIC Gymnastics Center, and today I got a math problem for you, and I'm going to show you how I solved it. So this is the problem we got. What I did was I went through all of them, and I found out which ones have the Vertex 2 and 5, and now I'm going to show you the steps I took and how I got B as my answer. So, first, we gotta figure out what a vertex is to figure out this problem. Well, the vertex is the point where two lines or segments meet. Now, we have to remember in the formula y equals ax squared plus bx plus c, if the a number is less than 0, the function opens downward. So, in our equation, we have f of x equals negative x squared plus 4x plus 1. Now, x squared is the same thing as 1x squared, so we're going to go ahead and stick that 1 in front of there just to help visualize our problem. So, now that we do that, we're going to have f of x equals negative 1x squared plus 4x plus 1. Now we're going to identify our a, b, and c. Our a is the negative 1x squared, our b is a 4x, and our c is the 1. Now, negative 1 is less than 0, so this opens downward. Now we're going to solve to find the vertex. F of x equals negative x squared plus 4x plus 1. We have to use the quadratic formula, which is ax squared plus bx plus c, to find a, b, and c. So we're going to identify x squared, or negative x squared, as our a. We're going to identify the 4x as our b. We identify that the 1 is our c. So now we're going to find our vertex using the negative b over 2a formula. Now, we're going to plug that in, and it's going to be negative 4 over 2 times negative 1, and that is going to equal negative 4 over negative 2, or positive 2. Now we have our x. Now all we have to do is plug in x and get our y. Now we have to find the other vertex by substituting the 2 we just got. Y equals ax squared plus bx plus c is the formula. So we're going to use the same equation, which is negative 1x squared plus 4x plus 1. Identify our a, b, and c. Negative 1x squared is our a. Positive 4x is b. And positive 1 is c. So now we're going to substitute the x's for our 2. That is going to be negative 1 times 2x squared, or times 2 squared, plus 2 times 4 plus 1. That is going to give us negative 4 plus 8 plus 1. That is going to give us 4 plus 1, which is equal to 5. So therefore our y is equal to 5. Therefore our vertex is 2, 5.
Hope everyone enjoyed this lesson, but I gotta get back to the gym before my coach gets mad.